Hello everyone, Infinity here with brand new Angular tutorials. So today we will set up an Angular app. So let's start with setting up a new application from Angular CLI. So open up your terminal or Visual Studio and press Ctrl plus tilde. Now before that, just go to any folder, any directory where you want to save all your projects. So just create a simple folder. Now go back to Visual Studio and type ng new MyApp or any application name that you want to give. Press enter. Now it will take some time, so I will skip that part. So as you can see, it takes at least 10 to 15 minutes of time as node modules contains huge amount of small sized files. Now in your terminal, if you want to run the application in your browser locally, you have to type ng serve. So we will do that. Type ng serve, press enter. Oh yes, you have to run this command by changing the directory to your project folder. So change your directory, type cd or application name, and now type ng serve again. Now wait for it, it will also take some time first attempt. So as you can see, your application is running at localhost 4200 port. So go to your browser, type localhost colon 4200, press enter. Done. Here is a brand new demo Angular app up and running. Now everything you see on your application, it's a component. So this is your app.component.html, the HTML which you were seeing. Now type anything you want over here. Like I'm typing in a div tag, type this is my app or anything, like any text you want. Press Ctrl save, Ctrl S. Now go back to your browser. It will reload automatically. Now yeah, you can see the text has changed, the content's changed because you changed the content. Now you can also see that there is a style URLs. So there is a style sheet link to it also. So just provide any style you want. Like I've provided a div with text color red. Now save it again, you can notice that the change has been made. So as we have set up the basic file structure, we can proceed further to the in-detail explanation of Angular components. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe button. Thank you so much.